You've probably heard me say this before, but I am a huge believer in art. Using art within speech therapy, within child learning is so important. It is engaging a different part of the brain and tricking the brain into using language. When that language area of the brain is really struggling and we use a different part of the brain, engage it creatively in a non-pressure activity, then we are golden. Here's a video of my mom, fantastic mom, let me just give her a shout out, and a great grandmother. She's working with her grandson, my little nephew. You've seen videos of him before. He's doing really well. She's working with him, doing art with him. It's watercolor. It's not very messy. It's the first time he's ever tried watercolor. He's very excited about it. So you listen in to how my mom is engaging with her grandson. She's talking, but not talking too much. She's repeating a lot of words. She's using a fun voice and allowing space for the child to speak too. So enjoy this. At the end, I'm going to share a testimonial from a parent who has taken my online course. If you are looking for a step-by-step guide on how to help your child go from no talking to talking, then I have just what you need. It's my course, step-by-step guide to teach you how to help your child at home, with a testimonial here at the end. Links below in the description. Follow me on Instagram too, and you can see what I'm up to on the daily. Thanks, guys.
I get blue.
You get blue, I get orange. Orange.
Blue, blue, blue.
Orange. A little more orange. Orange. Oh, what color are you doing?
Blue.
I like that. Blue.
I did all that. How you be?
Orange.
I green, blue, blue,
Oh,
blue.
yeah, I like that.
Blue.
I'm gonna make a sun. Oh, big sun.
Yeah, I wrapped it.
Oh, you what?
I wrapped it.
Crash it, I think.
Crash? Oh, look at that.
Good.
Ooh.
Oh, crash.
Oh, smash.
I wrapped it.
Now what should I do? Should I do green grass?
Yeah.
Grass. More grass. Ooh, you're gonna do. Ooh, what are you gonna do?
I know.
We need some stars.
Yeah.
What color should stars be?
Oh, red.
Red stars. Ooh.
Red.
Okay, I'll get some red. Star. Ooh, I like it.
We recently found Kayla's course, and we wanted to offer our thanks to Kayla for her help, and also just our endorsement and appreciation for the course as a resource. Our son was 17 months old and wasn't really talking at all. And we were worried, obviously. We had made an appointment with a professional to have him evaluated, but in the meantime, we wanted to find something that could give us some peace of mind that we were doing all the right things and doing as much as we could at home. And so I had stumbled across Kayla's free videos on YouTube, which were a great resource, but then we wanted to take the extra step. And so we saw that she had the course online and decided to purchase it. And really, we have no regrets. It was a great decision, and I immediately shared it with my wife here. And
I finished the videos first. It was a race.
Yeah, it was a race to finish the videos. We really found Kayla to be a great teacher, really relatable. All of the lessons are practical. They have helpful tips and resources at the end, printouts. Really, it's really engaging and really practical. And some of the things we found we were already doing, which was great. It was definitely encouraging and gave us some peace of mind that we were starting to do the right things. But even those things, I think there were techniques and tips that Kayla had that helped us do them better. And so we've been doing that. We've seen a lot of progress with our son, and there's still a ways to go, but I think he's making progress, and we're really just grateful to Kayla and for putting this resource out there and making it available, and encourage others to to do like we did and purchase it.
Thanks, guys. It's Kayla from Walkie Talkie Speech Therapy.